Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Dreadlocks. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we're going to be learning how to do straight hair dreadlocks. If you have straight hair, you came to the right video. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. It means a lot to me. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to also go check out the great merch. Link to that is going to be in the description. Now, in today's video, we're going to be touching on some pretty big things. I feel like, is it okay, or is it ethically right, or is it morally right for people with straight hair, or white people, or anybody with straight hair, to have dreadlocks? And me personally, I think it's completely fine. It's hair, and let's just leave it at that. It's just hair, and it's just like an outfit. If you wear an outfit, I feel like anybody can wear that outfit. Obviously, make sure it fits your gender correctly. Like, let's not make anybody mad in this video. Let's talk about how to get dreadlocks with straight hair, or if you're white or Caucasian. I can tell you my side of things and why I speak out of this, and always tell my opinion on why white people can, and if they want dreadlocks, they should have dreadlocks. The reason I speak up on this all the time is because I'm half white, I'm half black, and being in my position, it always feels like black people always see me as white, and white people always see me as black. It's like I have my black side of family, I have my white side of family. Growing up, growing up all the way probably to the age of 10, you don't really have that knowledge of how to act around certain people. You don't really understand to stay the same just because you see so much diversity, especially between both families. But that is besides the point. That was just my side on why I kind of back up white people with dreadlocks. It's like I'm half black, half white, and I feel like it's just a different stance than being full white and being full black. A lot of people, I feel like, don't understand. It's all good. But for all y'all who do, hey, shout out to you. But you guys, there are multiple easy ways to get dreadlocks with straight hair, and to tell you the truth, I almost feel like getting dreadlocks with straight hair is the easiest way to get dreadlocks, just because there's easy methods out there that instantly get you dreadlocks. I'm gonna tell you the first method that will literally instantly get you dreadlocks, and that is the twist and rip method. I actually have a video of this on my main channel. If you guys missed it, I'm gonna show you a clip right now. So what I'm gonna do is just grab the hair and then like twist it a little bit, and then grab the hair at the end and then rip it to the root. Kind of just run your fingers down it and then twist it while you're doing that, and then do the same thing. Twist it again, rip it. And it's very simple to get dreadlocks with straight hair with that method, especially if you follow it up with crochet needling. You can literally get dreadlocks in one day. It's really instant dreadlocks. Now, there are a lot of things you want to avoid while getting dreadlocks with straight hair. Don't twist your hair with gel. It's not really going to work. Don't do towel rubbing or sponge rubbing because it's not really going to work. These methods work with coarse and curly hair. Stay away from waxes. Don't use beeswax. I don't recommend that for anybody with dreadlocks or who plans on getting them. And those are all things you should really stay away from with getting dreadlocks with straight hair. Don't do all those things and you'll be perfectly fine. Because there's so many people who come to me and ask me, can I do towel rub with straight hair? Can I do sponge rub with straight hair? Or can I twist my hair with gel? Or should I use wax? What wax should I use? Don't do any of those things, and it'll save you a whole bunch of time. Another method you can do is interlocking to get dreadlocks, which I've seen a lot of people with straight hair in person and on video that have done this interlocking method. Now, I have videos on interlocking, and I'll insert a clip on this video as well. Push my finger through the root. This is how I always do it. Push the root up and then grab the tip and run it through. Then I just grab it like this and pull that through, and voila. Even though the tutorial is on my hair, this works really well with straight hair just because it is another method that instantly locks up the hair. And if you do the interlocking method properly, it can be a temporary dreadlock solution, which means you can take them out eventually. You just gotta do it the same way that you started them, and continue to do interlocking and not do twisting or crocheting along the way, because you will end up messing up your interlocks and not be able to undo them. I mean, you would be able to undo them, but you'd have to comb them out versus just reverse interlock them out. One major thing I recommend with getting dreadlocks with straight hair, if you plan on keeping them permanently, is to crochet hook them. It always looks better for straight hair to be crochet hooked, just because straight hair stands out a lot more when it's not inside of the dreadlock. People with coarse hair or curly hair, it kind of stays close to the lock and it looks very mature versus a straight hair dreadlock. That's why it's really important to crochet hook all of the loose straight hair back into the dreadlock, just so it looks very mature. And to tell you the truth, guys, that's basically it. This video should help you out a whole bunch, and if you take the steps properly that I've told you, you should have dreadlocks within no time. You can literally start your dreadlocks today and have them by tomorrow. But if you enjoyed this video, if it helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to go check out the merch. Also, go follow the Instagram page. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.